Creating a roster in Classkick is easy. To do so, click this green plus button in the corner and then click New Roster. Here you can name your roster, you can change the color of the roster, which will just appear to you, and then you can add students. You'll want to add students that have portfolio accounts since your school is a pro district. When you do this, you'll see a bank of students possibly to choose from, and you can just click all the students that belong to your class. If you don't see them, you can search for them, and if you still don't see them, you can create new accounts for them. And when you click that, you have the option to import from a CSV or to add the students manually. If you want to add them from a CSV, which would be a really fast way to add lots of students, you'd want to check out this sample CSV to see how to set it up, and then you'd be able to import lots of students at once. If you want to add students one at a time, you can click Add Students Manually, choose their username or type in their email, put their first and last name, and then you can choose their password or it will auto-generate one for you.